Lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and this is the first time you're seeing me, my name is Charmaine, and of course for my existing subscribers, you already know my name. Before I start into this video, I just wanted to say welcome to my new subscribers. I've seen that I've gained, a handful, so I just wanted to say hi and welcome, and thank you for clicking on that red button. And today's video is just an eye of the day. I didn't want to do a face of the day, I just wanted to focus on the eyes because they're super sparkly. So I'm going to show you what I use. I actually didn't use too many shadows. I used the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. It's one of my fave palettes to use. For my transition shadow, I use this shadow right here. It's like a brown color. And I place that right here. Of course, for the glitter, I used one from my company, GlamourEyesByChar. It's called Caicos. It's really pretty. This is a 5-gram jar. I will leave my website down below in the goodie box, so definitely check that out. I do sell 10-gram jars, but only on certain glitters. Go ahead, check it out. I have some beautiful ones, and I have more tricks up my sleeve. For my brow bone highlight, and those of you that know me know that I love to use MAC's Melon pigment. It's absolutely beautiful. So I just place that right here. My eyeliner, which again, if you know me, it's my favorite one of all. It's by NYC and it's their liquid liner. Look at that. Woo! Look at that. It is sharp. I also added Sephora's Contour Eye Pencil 24-hour wear. It's waterproof. I did that on my lower lash line. And I also placed that shadow on top. My lashes are from AliExpress. They're from a vendor called Visofree, and I believe they're the 3D08s. That's all to my eye look. It was very simple to do, didn't take too long at all. I hope that you enjoyed my eye of the day. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll definitely answer them for you. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, my lovelies, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!